SeeSii 710 impact wrench kits deliver 580 foot-pound / 800 Nm max torque. It is an upgraded version of CH700, which improves the more powerful torque, making it a more professional suit for more heavy-duty industrial tasks. Seesi electric impact gun adopts high-efficiency brushless motors. The operation becomes more stable and stable. It provides 2-speed mode and up to 3,300 RPM, saves your time and energy, suitable for tires removal, automotive repairs and construction projects. Many professionals and DIYers are moving in the direction of brushless motors, enjoying a longer running time of 53.5% and a more efficient experience.